Are you being annoyed by the Sfvstwrap Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To start the walkthrough for Sfvstwrap Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Sfvstwrap Library, the VStack Wrapper library. It provides unmanaged virtualization shims that allow the Windows kernel to interact with legacy 32-bit system tasks within a modern 64-bit environment. It acts as a protective layer for unmanaged code execution. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Sfvstwrap is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Sfvstwrap library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. If you're attempting to install Sfvstwrap Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Sfvstwrap library guidance. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Sfvstwrap library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.